Yo YouTube, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel, and you found this video guys because you want to find the best Amazon promo codes in 2024, and that is exactly what I've been doing guys, and I've managed to find possibly the greatest Amazon discount codes, and I'm going to share them today with you. Now, these promo codes work in 2024, and they're actually worth using. I've managed to find a $100 Amazon promo code, and this video is going to direct you through the steps that you need to take to go ahead and get yours. So you can see you need to use a mobile phone. Very important, you do use a mobile, and you're going to want to open up the internet on your phone and go to this website, www.wavycoupons.com. So wait, sorry guys, I've got a cough. Wavy Coupons. So this website is obviously a coupon code website, and I discovered them recently, and they've saved me so much money across pretty much any website that I want to shop online for. And they have games as well. You just need to navigate your way to the Amazon page, so you can scroll down and look for it, or you can just type it in the search bar. This is the page you need to find, the Amazon coupons and deals page. Now there's a few different options, but we were interested in the $100 Amazon promo code at the top. And these promo codes are limited in number. Obviously a $100 code is pretty desirable, so this limits one code per person. So when you click show coupon, you can see you need to unlock your Amazon promo code, which is completely normal. Basically prevents people from getting thousands of dollars of codes. This limits one code per person. So you need to unlock your personal promo code. So you're going to click this button. Now I've already done this, and I want to save these codes. Obviously they are limited, so let me just cancel that. But when that gets to the end, you're going to see a new screen guys, and it's going to tell you how to unlock your promo code. It takes about 5 minutes. You have to complete a couple of these free tasks just to basically unlock your code. These tasks can be like downloading and playing free games or answering questions in questionnaires. It'll be pretty obvious what you need to do when you see the screen. But yeah, and that will unlock your full code. So the two tasks will take about 5 to 10 minutes, but I think it's worth it considering you're getting a $100 Amazon promo code. So yeah, that's how you do it guys. You've got to go to Wavy Coupons and just follow through all of the steps. Take your time guys and unlock the code fully. But yeah, once you have it, you can redeem it in the basket on the Amazon app or website. So enjoy, and I'll see you next time.